To create an EdPuzzle resource, definitely you have to log into EdPuzzle and try to choose some video file to work with. You have to search for the materials that you would like to work with over here. So you can type in any topic. For example, I would like to choose some material on present simple or present continuous. Present continuous. Present simple, present continuous. Press enter, search, and there are a lot of already prepared videos to work with. Like I can search in community, in my school, for example, and in YouTube. When you search in community, whatever videos you will find will have like these dots or whatever, which means that this is an already prepared video. So for example, if we choose this one, let's look at it. I don't know what exactly it is about. I can see that it is a short video, about 3 minutes long, with some questions, mainly multiple choice, actually all multiple choice questions. And I can copy it to my content and use it. I can assign it and I can edit it. And I would like to come back to this video. I have already looked at it and show you that this video has different types of questions, and I will choose to edit it. When editing, you can do different things, like you can cut the video length. For example, you don't want to have all of it, then you can cut the time like this, and it will start with this point. So delete video events, yes, cut, no, of course not, I'm not going to do it right now. You can do a voiceover, but for our users it's not possible to do it, but if we could do it, it would be great. And I could add the questions. For example, it's not enough for me that a person has created this number of questions and I would like to add something. I would like to come back to the questions that have been created and see. If I would like to change something, for example, there is a question from a teacher who has done it, I press this pen and add my versions. When I do everything, I press save and ready. So there are different types of questions. We can make just notes without anything, without any questions. We can choose multiple choice questions and other. So when you finish, you just press finish. And now let's say, for example, that you have decided to make a video of yours, and to do it you will also need a video. We press search, and I will be looking not in the community but in the YouTube, and let's say like this one. This is, you see, this is a video without any questions, so I am starting to edit it. I press this button, and what I will be doing is adding questions. And to add a question, I definitely have to first look at what I'm working with. Okay, Let's make it multiple choice question. I eat fish. I eat fish. Oh, let's make it this way. Means. What does it mean? And the question, I like fish. Egg. I cook fish. Like this. And of course they have to choose which question is correct. And I would like this to be the right one, of course. I can choose another answer choice, like if I want to add something. And like I am ready, I press save. When the kid comes to this question, they have to choose the correct answer. They will have to type it in. So I can add, like I can pause. Okay, just let me go back a little bit. Okay, so I can press note, like present simple. I eat fish. Fish. Present simple. Habit. Yeah. And I am eating fish. Present continuous. Now, just for kids, like to remind the main point. Saving. Okay, so the system shows me how it will be when they do the test. As you can see in the video, they do not use the present continuous. So again, I can add present continuous means present progressive. Just again for everybody to understand. Okay. And let's make it an open-ended question. It is like very good for example for face-to-face classes, of course, but still, for example, what is the difference between present simple and present progressive? What is the difference between present simple and present progressive? You can like turn on audio responses. So for example, if it is an online class and you are assigning this EdPuzzle to the kids to work on their own, so you can choose like to allow audio responses, or you can turn it off. If for example you're working offline or online, but like face-to-face, synchronously, you can just let them answer, and that's it. So again, press save. Yeah, so they have to answer this question and continue. And like this, you're working till the end of the video. You're making the questions, like to check the kids' understanding. When you're ready, you press finish, and you can check your videos. You can check your video. You can see that it has like 4 dots, it means that I have prepared some questions. And I'll have to try. Okay, submit. It's correct, and I press continue. Okay, so I can, if I don't understand what it says, okay, I can press skip, I can rewatch, and I press continue. Yeah, again, present continuous is the same as present progressive. Okay, so what is the difference between present simple and present progressive? Like I have to write present simple like usual things, present progressive now. Oh, happening, things happening now, things happening now, things happening now. Okay, and I press submit. Yeah, this is what you will see, like to be graded. For the kids, it looks like to be graded. It means that as a teacher, you will check it later and give your remark. Okay, so I press continue. Yeah, and that's it. So, for example, I have worked with all 2.5 minutes. It is possible to add captions, of course. It is possible not to add captions, like the sound. You can assign this video to a class, for example. You can choose the class. I have already prepared the classes today, or you can choose the due date. You can choose the option to prevent skipping. You can choose this option either to turn on captions or not. And when you're ready, you just assign it to a class. You can share this video with your colleagues, like to let them see what you have done. And you can duplicate it, you can move it to some folder, for example, like my content, or you can create a new folder, test, for example, and move it to this. Okay, that's it, you're ready. When you come back, to EdPuzzle, you have different folders here, and my folders. This is the test, and here you have it. But of course you have to practice, you have to work on your own, you have to get into this EdPuzzle.com and try to create the test yourselves. Good luck.